Hey guys, welcome back. Chris Kirby here, Best Damn Powder Coating and Insane Imports. Today's episode, we're not working on the little truck. We're taking the progress that we have, we're loading it up on the trailer, and we're headed down to Driver Motorsports to see our friends and to see Josh. We didn't exactly get what we wanted, but we have something worthy of bringing out there. Josh has his truck set up and ready to go. We're bringing our little truck. It's going to look fantastic. And I want to hear what you guys think about what we got done in the time that we had to do it. We are going to be more or less rolling through the show. We're going to be meeting and talking to Josh and a few other people there. But this episode is just the journey there, the journey home, and the fun that we had and the camaraderie that we had doing these little trucks. And don't get me wrong, these trucks are not done. They're not even close to being done. Josh he has a long way to go. I have a long way to go. That being said, Josh is bringing the truck that he agreed to bring. And as you can see, boom, baby. I have my little white truck decked out in all the goodies that I intended on putting on the red truck. We're going to give you a walk around both trucks, go over why we're bringing the white truck, not the red truck. Obviously, it's not finished, but why. We're going to show you all the pretty little accent pieces and the powder coating work that you watched last episode get done and that we put on this truck. So like, subscribe, comment, and roll the intro. All right, as you can see, the little white truck got all the goodies for now. We have a little branding on the side for Insane Imports. My beautiful wife Cartier did all that. She's very talented and she always makes sure that we have nice stickers. We have our Best Damn Powder Coating tag on the front of the white truck. This is the current state of the little red truck. I think it's about where it was last time you saw it. We got the interior gutted. The valve cover's off. We've got the gold done for everything else, but the valve cover, it needed a little work. There was some dings and some dents in it that I didn't love, so we're gonna fix all that before we powder coat it. We still have not received the rear axle back from fabrication, and that's my fault for not getting it to the fab guy sooner. I dropped off what I had. He took a look at it. He knew what he was doing. He saw what I had, and he decided some of the pieces weren't up to the way that we needed to get it done. So he's having some pieces remade. There's a lot that goes into what he's actually doing, and I'm going to have that footage that he's going to share with me so I can share it on the channel, so you guys can see some of the things that he went through to make this happen for us. It's Alex at CT Raceworks and his team. Master fabricators, that's not even a joke. That's not blowing it out of proportion. Master fabricators are helping me out just out of the goodness of their own heart. If anybody else would have walked into their shop with a weird little Honda Acty axle and was like, I'm doing a K-swap conversion and I need all of this and that, I can't say that you could really go too many places and find somebody with the skills to get it done. Just take it on, help you out, and smile about the whole thing, and hold your hand, guide you through it. So I really appreciate Alex. I appreciate everybody at CT. I approached him and I was like, all right, I'm out of my depth. And he was like, yep. And he came over, he looked at what I got, we had a conversation. Brought it out to him, he took it, said not a problem, and he's working on it right now. And I look forward to revealing the axle. I'm more excited about an axle reveal at this point than I have been about any turbocharger that I've ever received in the mail or anything like that. I am psyched about this axle. But as you can see, red truck's just chilling. It hasn't moved, it won't move. White truck, pimped out. Gold accents, the white pop, I love it. That was originally for the red truck, might not take it off the white truck. It looks too damn good. It's the best damn white truck here at Best Damn Powder Coating. So let's take a walk around it and see what we did. Walk around the freshly powder coated Honda Acty truck parts. We got our vinyl stickers on for our car club and our YouTube channel. We have the fresh gloss on the wheels. For anybody that was wondering about the 14x7 19 offset, how far it poked out, there you go. Little handles, powder coated. They were very rusty and pitted, like I'm sure anyone that owns that Acty that's seen some action knows already. All right, that was the walk around of our little truck. We're going to get it loaded up on the trailer. We're going to head down to Virginia, visit our friends at Driver Motorsports. We'll give you a quick tour of the show. We'll get a couple of words in with the guys that work there. Looking forward to having a good time and seeing some friendly faces. Let's go. What up, dude? What's up? What's up? No, I'm pooting around respectfully. I'm pooting around, man. Me and Josh are here. We're at the tiny truck face-off. You can see that we brought the wrong tiny truck. I'm a failure. We're actually calling this one stunt double as of right now. The little truck didn't make it. We were planning on making it. The rear axle still a fab, all that. You've heard it before. Josh's actually runs, so I'm going to declare him the winner of this portion of the competition, but we're not giving up. I'm going to come back. I'm going to bust his butt on the dyno. But right now, this is the clear champion.
Oh, no. So I don't know if I could take a win like that. You know, we've been talking about doing this, so my vote on this one is, hey, maybe I'll take this win. And in the future, once the K swap is complete and the turbo swap is complete, maybe we'll take a field trip down to Insane Imports, Best Damn Powder Coating, and we'll complete our challenges down there. I guess I was looking forward to this build-off. So not too long back, we were having the conversation of, you know, who could build the craziest truck. I don't even really know how that got out of control, beyond just doing the dyno. And
that's where it started.
That is where it started. So with the Acty on the dyno, murder in its head gasket, sending her to an early death, they decided, hey, it's time to go crazy. I felt like, hey, this little thing was supposed to be a work truck, a workhorse, or whatever, but I couldn't help it and had to upgrade some stuff. So, you know, did some audio work. It's all running on the Elite 2500, which is ridiculous for an engine this small. It's a 550cc 3-cylinder. Did the IC7 dash, which originally I had a power tune digital. It wasn't cooperating with my setup, so we went to the Haltech stuff. And then not to mention just some other interior bits to include a iPad 9.7-inch dash. So if you want to check that out, if you hadn't seen it in the previous videos, take a look.
So we didn't get the truck that we wanted out here. We did stick every little pretty part that we planned on putting on that truck on this one. This is technically our trash truck for our shop. We make dumpster runs this bad boy. I think it's a Friday now or a Saturday?
It's Saturday.
It's Saturday now. So Thursday was our last day of work. We made the decision to clean this one up, put all of the stuff on there. I keep watching the video of the little truck on the dyno, and you look so happy when you're flipping the screen. I was like, that was like Josh's greatest moment if I'm getting one.
Yep. No, that was it. I think I truly attest seeing your guys' truck in action. I've been wanting one, and then that sealed the deal. So I think it was that week I told Chris, hey, get me a truck. I can't thank you guys enough for coming. One, it's been an awesome partnership since we've been working you as far as getting our powder coating needs and stuff done.
We love having work.
You know, the stuff that we get back, which like we're kids in candy stores. It's not even for us, and we're excited to open it. So, one, I can't wait to send you some of my own personal stuff just to, you know, touch them up. And then once we start doing the GTR build, there's definitely going to need some hot bits coated up.
Get it cleaned up and polished up for you.
Right.
We will be back with the K-Swap truck, or they might come to us, but to be continued. But today the W goes to Josh for having a truck that runs and being the actual truck that he agreed to build. So,
well, we didn't.
Hat is off to you, sir.
But again, awesome. I enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it. I'm still enjoying it. We're gonna get it.
If
I want to see your turbo stuff done.
It's happening.
Yeah.
It's happening. No, I think we're probably going to aim between 7 pounds. I don't know what this thing can take. So,
have you found any kind of aftermarket support for that motor?
No.
Clutch, flywheel, anything like that?
No.
I love it. You
So,
smoke that bad boy.
It's going to die.
Nice.
It's going to,
It needs boost.
It needs boost. But yeah, typically, I mean, the dash tells me I'm running 12, 13% ethanol at the pump. So that's that 88 gas, just in case you're wondering.
You know you're the man when you have a nicer standalone ECU and digital dash in your play around farm truck that most of us have in our like legit race cars.
No. Well, I did harvest all this stuff out of the Skyline, so this is all Skyline parts.
Oh no.
It's not, it wasn't intended to go here. It's just I happen to have it all sitting.
But that's where it ended up. All right, guys, we're back in Charlotte. We're back at Best Damn Powder Coating. We had a great time. We rode out to Virginia to see our friends at Driver Motorsports. We got a chance to catch up with Josh, see the progress he's making on his little truck. We shared what we had, and both of us, we still have a good ways to go. He wasn't able to get any of the motor work done that he wanted to get done. Mine doesn't even roll, so Josh wins. Josh wins for now. We got my main man, Gage Hell, from Hellraiser's Garage, out here unloading for me. This is a 7-foot tall man in a tiny, tiny truck. He ain't really 7 foot tall, but what are you, Gage? How tall are you?
6'1".
6'1". That's big for these little Japanese trucks. So anybody out there watching this, 6'1", you can do it, because Gage can do it. This is Gage's first time piloting the little truck. It's not like anything else because it's so damn slow. You're great, buddy. Thank you. Well, all right, guys, that's it. We've got the truck unloaded. We've got home safely. We had a really good time seeing all the guys at Driver once again. Next week, we're going to get back to business as usual on the red truck, but this episode I had a blast with. It's been a little while since I've taken the time to drive this little white truck. I'm definitely going to do more of that in the future. I hope you enjoyed the content. Please, please, please remember, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Please make color suggestions for the red truck. I still don't know what color we're going to paint the thing. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching till the end, and we'll see you on the next one.